Top engineering disciplines. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you the top 10 engineering disciplines by popularity. Engineering is a vast field, with many different specialties, and it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. That's why I've compiled this list of the most popular disciplines to help you make an informed decision. Computer engineering. Starting off our list at number 1, we have computer engineering. This discipline combines aspects of electrical engineering and computer science to design and develop computers, networks, and other digital systems. With the growing demand for technology and the increasing importance of the digital world, computer engineering is one of the most popular and lucrative fields in engineering. Software engineering. Next, software engineering. This discipline focuses on the development of software systems and applications. It is a critical component of many industries, including finance, healthcare, and entertainment. Software engineers design, test, and maintain complex software systems, and they're in high demand due to the growing demand for technology. Chemical engineering. At number 3, we have chemical engineering. This discipline applies the principles of chemistry, biology, physics, and mathematics to develop new materials, chemicals, and energy sources. Chemical engineers work in a variety of industries, including pharmaceuticals, energy, and consumer goods, and they are highly valued for their ability to solve complex problems and develop innovative solutions. Civil engineering. At number 4, we have civil engineering. This discipline focuses on the design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure, including roads, bridges, buildings, and other public works. Civil engineers play a critical role in the development and growth of communities, and they are in high demand due to the growing need for infrastructure improvements. Electrical engineering. At number 5, we have electrical engineering. This discipline focuses on the design, development, and maintenance of electrical systems, including power systems, electrical machinery, and communication systems. Electrical engineers are in high demand due to the increasing importance of technology in our daily lives, and they play a critical role in many industries, including energy, transportation, and telecommunications. Mechanical engineering. At number 6, we have mechanical engineering. This discipline focuses on the design, development, and maintenance of mechanical systems, including engines, machines, and other mechanical components. Mechanical engineers play a critical role in many industries, including manufacturing, automotive, and aerospace, and they are in high demand due to the increasing importance of advanced technology. Aerospace engineering. At number 7, we have aerospace engineering. This discipline focuses on the design, development, and maintenance of aircraft and spacecraft. Aerospace engineers play a critical role in the aerospace industry, and they are in high demand due to the increasing importance of air travel and space exploration. Biomedical engineering. At number 8, we have biomedical engineering. This discipline combines aspects of biology, medicine, and engineering to develop new medical devices, technologies, and treatments. Biomedical engineers play a critical role in the healthcare industry, and they are in high demand due to the growing need for medical innovations. And there you have it, the top engineering disciplines by popularity and pay. No matter which discipline you choose, a career in engineering offers endless opportunities for growth, innovation, and impact. If you're considering a career in engineering. Thanks for watching.